Media Services Group tutorial of how to process multimedia contract billing in Elan.Web. As a prerequisite, create a confirmed multimedia contract with a billing schedule in Elan.Web. Navigate to the Advertising module on Elan.Web and click on the Billing menu. Scroll down to the Multimedia Billing menu, then click Contracts Ready for Billing. Choose the billing group to which the contract is assigned from the drop-down menu. Choose a date range when the billing is scheduled. Then click on Get Contracts. The contract list will display. If you know the specific contract ID, you can enter it. This will facilitate with searching for the specific contract ID. You can also use the magnifying glass to search for the contract. You can also narrow down your search even more by choosing an advertiser from the list, clicking on the name, and then click the plus sign. You can choose more than one advertiser. Then click on Get Contracts. You can remove the advertiser name by highlighting it and clicking on the X sign. Then click on Get Contracts. From the list, you can edit the contract by clicking on the hyperlink. If the contract you would like to bill is not on this list, then this is an indication that the contract may not be confirmed or may not have a billing schedule and is not ready to be billed. Once the contract is ready for billing, click on the menu Billing, scroll down to Multimedia Billing, then click on Multimedia Contract Billing. The tab Generate Invoices will be highlighted. Click the drop-down menu and choose the billing group. Click on the calendar pop-up and enter the date range for the scheduling, and click on Get Contracts. The list of contracts will display on the screen. If there is an issue with any contract, you will see a red exclamation point next to the contract. Hover over the point to see the reason why the contract has an issue. You can click the hyperlink of the contract and fix the problem. In this case, this contract was prepaid as indicated under the prepayment column by credit card, and there is a problem with the credit card charging. Check the box corresponding to the contract number you'd like to bill and click on Invoice Selected Contracts. You can choose more than one contract at a time. Click the invoice type. The type could be a trial run or a live run. A live run will generate an invoice which cannot be deleted. A trial run is a test run which will not give you an invoice ID and can be deleted at any time. The system will then allow you to run a live run invoice to be generated later for the same contract. Choose the print form from the drop-down menu. This form has to be predetermined in the multimedia setup screens. Similarly, choose an email form from the drop-down menu. This form will be used for emailing the invoice to customers and other users. Choose the financial period to which the invoice will be posted. This list reflects the periods which are open in the system from the back menu. Click on the calendar pop-up to choose the date of the invoice and enter any comments that you would like to print on the invoice. Click on Generate Invoices. Click OK to the confirmation message. The screen refreshes with the list of invoices to print. It will display a hyperlink to each invoice. Click on one of the hyperlinks and a separate screen will open with the invoice details. Note the warning at the top that the invoice has not yet been posted to AR. This message will be removed once the posting is complete. Click back on the tab for Multimedia Contract Billing and click on Go to Print Invoices. If this is a live run, you will be able to post to accounts receivable. There is also a hyperlink to the batch ID. The total number of invoices in this batch is 2. If you have FabSoft set up, you can click on the PDF and the batch will display. To post to accounts receivable, click on the down arrow and click OK to the confirmation message. Click on the batch ID hyperlink, then click again on one of the invoices. Note that the message warning at the top has been removed.